Hi guys, in this video let us learn how to install requirements.txt, that is a Python custom set of packages. So generally if we want to have or use these set of packages, so I have listed some of the example packages. So I need numpy, matplotlib, pandas, request and faker. So these are the set of packages I need, and that too I need a custom set of packages. So generally what happens is if we try to right click and show context action, so you can install the packages directly. So but I need a older set of packages which are currently which are bug free and which are highly stable. So if we want to have a set of that is older set of packages that are these, so these are the certain examples that I have taken, and you can see the warning is shown over here. So in order to install this, so we have to use a pip command. So this is my current working directory, that is vlog. So let us go to this directory into the command prompt. So after opening the command prompt, so this is my current working directory. So we have to go into the virtual environment directory and go to the scripts. So now let's use a notepad to open a requirement.txt. So we will be giving the custom requirement. So let us try to create a file. So let's say yes, and let's open it. So here I paste that is my requirement, that is custom set of packages. So let us try to save this and exit the notepad. So once we are done, so let us try to install the requirements.txt. So in order to install the requirements, let's type pip install and -r is for the requirement, and you have to give a requirement.txt. Yeah, so this is a file that contains a custom set of packages. So let us try to run this. So you can see the installation, that is download, has started. So generally the older packages which are being used, that I have selected, are a set of packages which are highly stable and bug free. So generally the builders who are using, that is a project, if you are building a custom project, so you should be using the older set of packages. So you can see the complete download of the packages has been done and installation is in progress. Yeah, currently the installation is taking time. So you can see successfully installed these set of packages, that is faker, matplotlib, numpy, pandas and request. So if we go to our PyCharm editor, so you can see the indexing has been started over here, and you can see discovering of binary modules has been started. So once the indexing is complete, so we will not be seeing any that is error or warning over here. So let us wait for indexing to complete. Yeah, so you can see that all the errors has been completed, means we can start using this library. That means we didn't see any warning over here. Yeah, so this is how you try to install the custom, that is custom set of packages. So hope you liked it. That's it in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.